Hi teachers, welcome to the e-learning platform of Trice College. In this video, I am going to give you a tutorial on the Excel application which can be used for the consolidated mark entry. As per the new regulations of University of Calicut, the internal mark statements are of maximum marks 15 and for another stream it is maximum marks out of 20. The present video, in the tutorial, I have made the calculations only for the maximum marks 15, but I have prepared both the files for internal marks 15 and 20, and both the files are available below for free download from the description side. You can download or you can make your own file as per the tutorial. So dear teachers, welcome to the Excel file which will be helpful for making the consolidated mark statement.
Okay, so let us go to the internal mark entry sheet. This is the internal mark calculation and this maximum mark is 15. As I mentioned before, there are two types of internal marks in Calicut University now. One is maximum 15 and another one is maximum 20. The calculations are exactly alike. Just we will start with the internal mark calculation sheet, maximum 15. So this is the first sheet is a data entry sheet. And here you can enter the data. Suppose I am entering my name, college name. I have entered already here as Trice College. Now selecting the program. Suppose I take for BA. And specialization may be history. And semester, let it be first semester. Now paper name, let it be historiography. And the paper code, I'm giving a dummy code as CHIS01. And test paper mark, this is important. Some colleges will be taking test paper in 35 marks, some will be doing in 50 marks. In the new regulations, there is only one test paper. So if you are entering the, as per regulation, it is 35. If you are giving the mark as 35, you have to give here. And if you are giving, if you have done the test paper in 50, or you can give 50 or in any marks. So let us put here 35 itself. And here is the data entry sheet. Here you can enter the student's name here, student 1, 2, 3. And if you have in an Excel sheet, you can directly paste here the student name, student's registration number or the class roll number. And here you have to put the test paper marks, how much it is. 50. I have given some arbitrary marks. That if it is in 35, it may be like 25, 30, 32, etc. And assignment is maximum mark is 3 marks. Seminar Viva maximum mark is 3 marks. And here this is the CRP percentage. It is now called as the classroom participation percentage, or actually it is the attendance percentage. And if you have the attendance, you can directly paste what is the percentage attendance that particular student is having. So once the data entry sheet work is over, now you can go to the print consolidated sheet. Here you can see whatever I have entered there, it's automatically came here. Trice College Irinalakuda. Consolidated mark sheet for internals, BA history, code name and subject name, code and name has come here. And here you can see the test paper marks out of 6 as per new regulation. Out of 6 it has been converted to 5 marks. Let us see what was the mark I have entered here. I have entered here only 25 marks. So 25 marks as per the calculation it will come to only 5. For the second student it is 30. And here it has come 6 marks, the maximum marks. And assignment, and the total in 15, the mark has come here as well. And directly you can print this sheet. I have given provision to add some 90 students to include the language classes also, teacher in charge, head of the department, and they directly print, sign, and you can give to the students. Now let us see what is the calculation happening here. There is another sheet of calculations. Here I have set the calculations as here. The name of the student and the registration number will come directly from the first sheet. Internal mark will come from the first sheet, And here what I have given is, here I have changed the mark into percentages. So your entry, the maximum marks what you have entered in the first sheet will come here, and this is just a calculation of the percentage taking into consideration of the maximum marks. So it is C3 divided by $C $1 to freeze the cell, multiplied by 100 to make this into percentage. And now another one is that I have used another function, which is round function, to round the marks given here. That is 71.4 will be changed into 71. Here 85.7 will be rounded to 86. And here there is the calculation of the grade mark. It is very simple. It is an if function. If E3 is greater than or equal to 85, you can give the maximum marks as 6. And if E3 greater than or equal to 65, it is 5, 4, 3, 2, and if it is less than 35, it is 1. So we have used the if function here. And again, the percentage attendance directly from the first sheet, I have rounded it here. Again, the attendance grade mark, I have used the if function. You can freely use the this file. I have given it as a free download under the YouTube below in the below description. Assignment, seminar, and total it is 14 months. And finally, you can get the print consolidated. You will have the print consolidated sheet here. Thanks for watching. Bye.